Just cook some potatoes.
The potatoes are just sweating in that saucepan with the lid on, just to soften them up a little bit and make them a little bit more fluffy when you cook them. All I'm doing here is just brushing them with the brush, brushing them with some oil over the top. So about half an hour into the cook, and they're coming on lovely. Just got a pan there. Gonna put some sausages into it, some bacon, some jalapenos, and just gonna cook that up, and then add in some white pudding. And the jalapenos going in there, but just for a bit of added flavour, add a bit of spice to the sausages, a bit of extra spice. So yeah, finely killed your sausages, lovely. Here comes the bacon, lovely. Bacon ones had a fantastic day today. Enjoyed whatever they've been doing. And yeah. Here comes a bit of white pudding. Oh, lovely. I don't know if anyone's tried white pudding or not, but it's definitely a nice flavour. It's always worth having some in the fridge. So all I'm going to do in a minute is take the sausage and bacon out and the jalapenos and just leave the white pudding in there just to crisp up a bit better.
Squeaky cupboard. Okay, I missed.
So I'm just going to leave the white pudding in there. There you go, they're about done. There's a cheese roll, just toasting it up really. Just going to melt some cheese onto it and flip it over, melt the cheese a bit more, and then put some bacon, some white pudding, and some sausages in a roll. There's the cheese. That's a full blend of cheeses, that is. Just flipped it just to try and toast the underneath of it. So, I don't know if you tried it or not, but yeah, you get a couple of packets for I think it's about $4.50 for 2 packs of so probably, I don't know, 400 round packs or something. So quite a lot of cheese really for the money. I mean, it's already grated as well, so saves you all the hassle of standing there grating it, doesn't it? Easy life. There you go, bit of bacon, cut bits of white pudding, cut sausages in the middle, or one sausage. Just flip that on top of it. And then we're about done on that. There you go, sorted. Right, over to the plate. So, a bit of bacon, white pudding, cut sausages, and some jalapenos. Here comes a breaded roll. Looking lovely. Gonna have some chef brown sauce to go with that as well. Comes from, I think it's made in Dublin actually. And there's the roast potatoes, which is just a random one, isn't it? I fancy some roast potatoes tonight, so there you go. I did promise the wife I'd do some, so she's done her she's done an apple crumble. An apple crumble. We'll have to wait till she comes home because, yeah, I'll be in trouble otherwise. So, everyone, enjoy your day, whatever you're doing, or the rest of the evening, and I'll catch you tomorrow.